Let's talk about how to use Problets. First off, what are Problets? Well, they're a free interactive programming tutor. What they check for is a detailed understanding of code written by others, not for writing new code like JavaBat and Turing's Craft do. Exercises are randomly generated for each person, so you and your best friend may have different exercises. This is a good thing too. There are several phases in a JavaBat problem. First, there's a pretest, and that's used to determine your prior knowledge and to select the problems that you're going to work on. Then there's practice, where you actually work the problems, and then a post-test, where they test your mastery. You really don't know where you are in the Problet as you're working it, so don't get too worried about these parts. We grade based on the highest of the 3 grades. Most students get 100%, at least on the post-test and often on the practice too, and you can rework them as many times as you want. So to log in, you're going to log into Problets at this link. Now, I'm not actually going to show the login because I wouldn't be able to get very far. It's not uncommon to have some problems with this, particularly with security on your browser. So make sure you get started early on Problets so that we can deal with those security problems if they happen to come up. If it happens at 11:50 and you're counting on turning them in by midnight, you're not going to be successful. Also, Problets do tend to take a little bit longer to work, so make sure you leave enough time. First, it will ask for identifying information. Please use your real name and your OU email, and then it's going to ask you a whole bunch of questions about your preferences and give you a general pretest. Don't be worried if you can't answer the questions in the pretest. That's perfectly fine. All that it's trying to do is to identify people who've done a bunch of programming before, so it can give them questions that are more appropriate. If you don't know, just say you don't know and move on. It's just fine. As far as working a Problet, each tutor will show you how to work with the interface in great detail. And when you're finished, the Problet will send you a certificate of completion. Make sure you keep those in case we have discrepancies in grading. They do happen occasionally. So keep programming.